In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit USDT into your Exness account using cryptocurrency. Before we start, make sure you already have an Exness account and an external crypto wallet with some USDT available to send. First, log into your Exness personal area on the website or through the mobile app. Once you're in, head to the deposit section and choose the specific trading account you want to fund. This ensures the funds go exactly where you need them. Next, select the cryptocurrency payment method, then pick USDT. You'll now be asked to choose a blockchain network. TRC20 is a popular option because it's typically fast and has low fees, but you should choose the network that matches how you plan to send the funds. Fees and speed vary by network, so pick the one that fits your priorities. Most importantly, the network you select here must match the network you use when you send the funds from your wallet. Exness will generate a unique USDT deposit wallet address for the network you selected. Copy this address carefully using the copy function. Avoid typing it manually. This address is only for USDT on that specific network, so don't send other coins or use a different network. Now open your external wallet. This could be an exchange like Binance or a self-custody app like Trust Wallet, and start a withdrawal or send transaction. Paste the Exness deposit address into the recipient field, then choose the same network you selected in Exness, for example TRC20. Double-check the address in the network. Even a small mismatch can cause a loss of funds. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Keep in mind that your wallet or exchange may charge a network withdrawal fee, so the final amount that reaches Exness might be slightly different from what you enter. If you're new to this, you can start with a small test amount, then follow with the full amount once you're confident everything matches. When you're ready, confirm the transaction and complete any required security steps in your wallet. After sending, wait for blockchain confirmation. Processing time can range from a few minutes to longer during network congestion. You can monitor the transaction status in your wallet using the transaction hash, and you'll see the deposit reflected in your Exness account once the network confirms and Exness finishes processing. That's it. You've successfully deposited USDT into your Exness account. Always match networks, copy addresses precisely, and allow time for confirmations. Happy trading!